All clear. Dispatch, enjoy your ride.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from Theme Park Temple, back at it today here at SeaWorld Orlando. It's been about a month or so since I ventured through this park. Normally it's a nice and sunny day here in Florida, but today it's a little cloudy out, so we're going to see how much I can get done during what's forecasted to be a cloudy day. No rain in the actual forecast until about 5 o'clock tonight. So it's about 11 o'clock now. We should be able to get some roller coasters in for sure. As always, guys, if it's your first time to the channel, do me a favor, like and subscribe down below. Let's head into SeaWorld Orlando and have a blast. Notice these new flags out, very Orca-like, for the SeaWorld 60th anniversary now, which was just started about a week or so ago. New flags all around here in the entranceway. Very nice. The typical shows, we just add a little 60th jazz to it. And of course, you notice there's the entranceway here. A brand new sign, gigantic for the 60th celebration. So much more to see. I love that. Here for the 60th celebration here at SeaWorld Orlando. Woo! It actually has more years on it than Disney World does. Fun little nitpick effects. Yeah, today's just really a random park day. Just decided to come here and see what's gonna happen. No plans of anything specific. Definitely a ride on Mako for shizzles. The observation tower is stuck there, just chilling in the middle there. Doesn't really open to noon though, so might just not haven't even started testing yet. You get to know though now for Platinum Pass holders. And now through the month of April, you get 7 free Food Festival food items. Which would do me justice if I could celebrate it on the weekdays, which you can here. The festivals are only Friday through Sunday. One of these days I'll be able to celebrate a SeaWorld festival. Other than Christmas, but it's just not today. One of my favorite fountains in any theme park. Right here at SeaWorld Orlando. Love the smell. Gotta give it to you from this fountain, just standing right here. Ah, beautiful. We enter the Sharks Rec Reef area. Come to know and love this area of the park. Throughout the years, let's go check out our friends here right before the end of the Grill and Bar. Okay, big old stingray there. Oh, a big old stingray. Oh, right by the shark. Fishes. On the other side here. And buy food right over here to feed them. I gotta get for them pretty well fed, so they don't go right for the food. Some of them do, but not all of them. Just inside here, very reminiscent of the sea over Epcot. It's still very cool. This underwater grill. What I really like is on the bar itself. There's fish going up to there. I'll be in there later for a drink or two. Great food though, really great food. Definitely high priced, but amazing food. Well, there's only ever one reason I come to this area of the park right away, first release, and that's for a ride on the B&M Hyper, known as Mako. Here, only posted a 5-minute standby wait. Yeah, maybe look at my quick queue later. I'm not sure if I'm gonna really need today for much of anything. There's people in the park, but it's not your typical spring break crowd. Seems they actually jetted away from seems like the spring breakers came for the first half, and then Orange Counties was like, yeah, we're just gonna forget about it. 'Look how many trains are on. May very well be a one train operation kind of day here, which is bad if the crowds aren't needed for it. There's days when it's definitely needed, and yeah. Mists are on. I don't really need them today. It's not that hot out. Hey, guys, Mako. Alrighty, folks, gonna fancy yourselves a back row ride here on the B&M Hyper known as Mako. They are on 2 trains, which is nice to see. A bit of nice. Alrighty, been given the gift of a back row dispatch here on Mako. Woo. It's a very cloudy day out here in Orlando. Hopefully we beat any rain. Well, the audio as you go up the left hill here as we crease 205 feet, 200 feet down. Gets old, it really doesn't. Mako here. SeaWorld Orlando. Nice dispatch between the 2 trains there. One's ready almost up the lift hill. Another wonderful time there, as always. Classic Hyper. As she creases over. You know, she's not the biggest Hyper out there, but they really did amplify all the bits of airtime you could get out of, especially a tiner model now, the Hypers you would call Mako at least. She packs so much of a punch. Ooh. As we exit into the Mako gift shop, let's see what our pictures look like. It's funny, the couple next to me, oh there we are, they actually asked me, how do you keep the camera still this whole entire time? And I'm like, I know years of practice. I just love roller coasters too, obviously. Let's see what else we get on. I want to check out Penguin Tracks construction update that should be near. Let's do that now, actually. Yeah. You know what? Real quick before we do that, let's go check out some sharks. Yeah, I like the sharks in here. Cool sharks. Do 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 do. Well, the fish area, the sharks, really. Sharks a little bit later on. Ugly fish. There's a lionfish. You're not looking appetizing. The actual shark portion now.
That's hopefully what we'll see is some big sharks like that.
Look at this guy. They're like the tennis.
Oh, hello, Mr. Hammerhead.
You want me to get it this way?
Some sharks.
Oh, look at this guy. Just sitting there.
Guys, chilling.
Take it easy, Dave.
See you, sharks. Until next time. Sharks need our help. It's deadly important. Danger ahead. Oh, sharks. It's good for sharks. The fun stuff, they actually show you a little exhibit of what was holding the water above you. That's how much glass. That's pretty impressive. So the wonderful thing and wonderful joy about living in Central Florida, there'll be no rain in the forecast, and then it starts to rain. It's a light drizzle right now, nothing too crazy. No lightning in the area, so coasters are still operational. But yeah, the weather is so temperamental down here. I've been out maybe even like 2 months from moving down here. That a weather forecast can say one thing. It can say a dangerous hurricane is coming tomorrow and it doesn't even hit. You never really know until the actual weather happens. There's a 2 o'clock sea otter show, which might give me a lot, really, especially if I go up to the left, a lot of good views over towards Penguin Track. Let's go see what I can find now. Just walking past it. Not sure if they started test running or not, but the track does look complete from what I see. And you can actually walk underneath the track now too, which is interesting. Very cool. Looks like on the intenser side of a family coaster for real. See any construction, a few cones out. See the new area out and about, very nice. Blue facade. Some construction workers still there. Almost done. Seems to be the new area for the bar back over to the left. This is exciting. All new topiary coming into place. All new rock work. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Construction workers up top there. Just getting some final measurements in, it seems like. Cool. Now get to the specific point over here without having to go all the way around. It's been closed like that for almost a good year now. Backside. Still can't walk through most of Antarctica. Still do gotta go around. Coaster notes near completion. I'm very happy about. Very excited. It was raining, so we're gonna hide out here in the Manta Aquarium. Show you guys some stingrays right quick. Great rock work, really great facade too though. There wasn't enough recognition for that kind of stuff. And now it just stopped raining. Either way, we committed to the aquarium. dories in there. I don't know, I'm just call them dories. For obvious reasons. Oh, tiny shirt. Gigantic starfish. It's even bigger. This one's huge.
Thank you. You're waiting just a minute. Share. Thank you.
Cool. Figure out from this thing. It's anything.
What is that?
Little thing, little seahorse.
What are you?
There's a stingrays in this one. Lots of them, actually. Really big one right there in the middle. And the unpredictability of Florida weather really is that they just made an announcement, although we're getting a peak of sunshine, that the coasters are going down for potential weather, which means, unfortunately, that lightning is within a 5-mile radius of the park, so the coasters are going down for now. And unfortunately, I gotta work in 3.5 hours. So it's gonna be a wrap today, guys, here from SeaWorld Orlando. It was a blast, at least getting you guys on Mako, you know, and showing you the following updated construction of Penguin Track. Hopefully it's just around the corner. Shouldn't be too much longer at all. As always, guys, if it's your first time to the channel, do me a favor, like and subscribe down below. Until then, we'll catch you guys next time.
You at the midway.